In this video, you'll learn how to copy your XRP wallet address to Trust Wallet. By following these instructions, you will successfully transfer your wallet address for seamless transactions. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. Ensure your internet connection is stable to facilitate a smooth browsing experience. Next, locate the Trust Wallet extension. If you have not yet installed the extension, you will need to do so from the browser's extension store. Once you find the extension, click on it to open the Trust Wallet interface. After Trust Wallet loads, look for the Fund option in the main menu. This option is usually found on the home screen of the wallet. Click on Fund to proceed with the process of receiving funds. Once you have clicked Fund, select the Receive from Another Wallet option. This action will direct you to the section where you can receive cryptocurrency into your Trust Wallet. At this point, you will need to click on Choose a Crypto. This option allows you to specify which cryptocurrency you want to receive. It is essential to select the correct one to ensure a smooth transfer. After selecting Choose a Crypto, proceed by clicking on the Search field. This is where you will type in the name of the cryptocurrency you want. In this case, XRP. Type in XRP in the search bar. As you type, you should see suggestions appear below the search field. This will help you quickly identify the correct cryptocurrency. Once you find XRP in the search results, click on it to select. This action confirms that you want to receive XRP into your Trust Wallet. After selecting XRP, locate the Copy button and click on it. This will copy your XRP wallet address to your device's clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever needed. Lastly, you may also want to click on Scan QR. If you prefer to use a QR code for sharing your wallet address, this option can be useful for mobile transactions or when sharing your address with others. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.